That's it. That's it. What the? That is what 450 videos made in 28 days. Now listen close. I do not want that to happen to you. This is not a pity story. This is a warning label. I got monetized in 3.5 months. A month later, I got demonetized. Then I stayed demonetized for 18 months. And during those 18 months, I kept building. I kept uploading. I kept learning the hard way. That is how I ended up with over 450 videos. Here's what creators miss. When YouTube sees a problem, the platform does not care about your feelings. The data has no sympathy. The system reads the history, the flags, the reviews, the audience response, the policy issues, and the numbers. If the numbers look wrong, the channel gets treated like the numbers say. That does not mean you cannot come back, but it means the comeback takes time. I am not saying there is a button called shadow ban, but trust exists. Call it channel history, call it reputation, call it advertiser safety, call it platform trust. Advertisers pay to put ads before, during, and after videos. YouTube is not gonna treat a reckless channel the same as a clean, trusted channel. That is common sense. Here is what happened to me. My channel was perceived as not original enough. That is different from saying I stole something. Sometimes the platform can look at your content and think it is reused, repetitive, too similar, too automated, or not transformed enough. And yes, something small can trigger a problem. Maybe audio levels. Maybe reused visuals. Maybe too much AI without enough human input. Maybe the system just reads it wrong. I am not saying that as a written rule. I'm saying it happened to me. And if it happened to me, it can happen to somebody else. So here's the lesson. Do not walk into YouTube ignorant like I did. Read the rules before you build the channel. Protect your audio. Use your own voice when you can. Add your face. Add your opinion. Add your teaching. Add your story. Make the content clearly yours. Do not make YouTube guess if you are original. Prove it in the video. If you get a red flag and it does not come down, do not just sit there mad. Document everything. Take screenshots. Check studio. Check your email. Appeal clean. Explain clearly. And if you lose YPP contact, reach out to Team YouTube on X. I know this because I had to fight through it. If you lose advanced features, even after you verified yourself, they can ask again. I know that too. It happened to me. I had over 5 violations. I probably should not even still have a channel, but I do. And I am not quitting. It has only been about 2.5 years. Some creators take 5 years to get monetized. Some never make it. So even with the pain, I'm still in the game. Do I hate seeing low analytics? Yes. Do I hate seeing $1.28? Yes. Do I hate waiting for the audience to find me? Yes. But I know this. The videos are assets, the lessons are assets, the shorts are doorways, the playlist are pathways, the merch, books, and offers are part of the system. The money is not compounding yet. The audience is not compounding yet. But the assets are. And once the right audience finds the right path, the snowball can start. Every creator has a different road. You can copy somebody exactly and still not get their result. That does not mean you failed. It means YouTube is not one straight road. It is a trust game, a data game, an audience game, a patience game. So do not just chase views. Build trust, build proof, build community, build a clean channel. Build something that can survive a bad month. Now here is where you come in. If this happened to you, comment your story. If you got demonetized, tell us what happened. If you got flagged, tell us what you learned. If you lost features, share the warning.
USA, USA, USA! Let's go USA! Let's go! USA all the way! Woo! Yeah, USA! Woo! Let's go USA! World Cup champions! We got this! USA! USA! Get your shit!